streets of a small town, a lonely kitten. There was confusion in his eyes, not knowing where to go. The big Chow appeared and gave it a warm bath with a smile in his eyes. There is compassion in his heart. The big Chow carries the kitten's dreams on his shoulders. Along the way, crossing mountains, rivers and seas, together never separated. Walking through alleys and through bamboo forests, along the country bridge, walking through the flower forest. In the crystal cave, the night sky twinkles with stars. Between the big Chow and the kitten, friendship and affection are connected. Chow carries